Hi everyone, Sotipong's here. Sometimes you would like to use the parameter in BridgeWorX, but maybe sometimes we need to use the string. For the string, you need to make it as the special expression. For example, in this case here, I have the parameter tName, and the display name is tag name description, and the type is string. The default value is OK. And with this transaction, there is the only one block that I use. It is the dynamic tag writer, as you can see in the right hand side in the property. I have the data source as the expression, and the output expression is the name of the parameter, as you can see here. I just going to the data browser of the expression. I can double click here, or I can type manually. For example here, I just double click, but it is the string. If you would like to use as the value, you need double quote because it's not the number, and hit OK. And with the data source, you can use the OPC tag or any data source, but in this example, I will use the expression. The purpose is if the value of tag name is OK, then writing this value into simulation static 2, but if not, writing to static 1. This is my purpose. To show you, you can use the dynamic to change the data source, then hit OK. Please. This is the double quote. Because we cannot use double quote in the expression, then I use ASCII to char 34. This is double quote. The ASCII character here. Double quote over static 1 and over the static 2, and hit OK. And now when we run this transaction, for example in the BridgeWorX, and I need to start the bridging here, point manager out of bridging, go to runtime again. OK, now we see in the parameter input that is the configuration. Right click on that. OK, the default value of the parameter in the transaction is OK. As you can see in the configuration here, this is the default value, and I will change. This is the static 2 and this is static 1, the process point. You can see the tooltips, the name of the data source static 2. I will change it to another one. OK, for sure. OK, now we give the parameter is the default parameter OK, and hit execute, and it will writing this value OK into the static 2. But if not is OK, if the value is not OK, and hit execute, it will writing to another one, static 1, according to our expression in the transaction, in the template here. In case of the value of tName, if it is OK, then writing to this. If not, then writing to static 1. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.